Hello, myself Laksa Patel, working as an assistant professor in computer department at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Now today we are going to discuss about part 3 of unit number 3, in which we discuss the sorting algorithm. There are two types of algorithm: sorting algorithm, which use the divide and concurrent technique, that is merge sort and quick sort. Now today's session we discuss the merge sort. Now how merge sort is work. The merge sort is a sorting algorithm that use the divide and concurrent strategy. In the method of merge sort, division is dynamically carried out. Merge sort on an input array with the n element consists of the three steps. The first is the divide. Divide means partition the given array into the two sublists S1 and S2 with the n by 2 element of each list. The second step is concurrent. Concurrent means sort the sublist S1 and sublist S2. And the third step is a combine, means merge the sorted sublist S1 and S2 into the unique sorted group. Now we understand the merge sort with the help of example. Now here unsorted array is given. Now we divide the given array into the two sublists from n by 2. Now here n is equal to 8. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Now we divide the list into the at index 4. Now the left sublist contain the 4 element and the right sublist contain the next 4 element. Now we divide the list into the until we get the 1 element into the list. Now we divide the sublist, left sublist, into the two parts from index 2. Again we divide into the two sublist. Now here we get the element 1. Two sublist contain the 1 element. Now we merge it into the sorted order. Now 521 then 724. Now again we divide into two sublist. Now we divide until we get the 1 element into the list, and then we merge here into the sorted order. Now we merge the two sorted sublist. Here we merge in sorted order. Now we again divide the right subarray into the two sublists from index 2, and we divide again this list until we get 1 element into the array. So we merge it into the sorted order here. Now again we divide this list into the two sublists, and again we divide it. So here the list contains the 1 element. We merge it into the sorted order. Here we merge in sorted order. Now we merge it. We consider here I and consider here j. Compare the I with j. If I is less than j, then put into the array I, otherwise j. Now 90 is compared with 31, but 98 is larger than 31, so we put here j. Similarly, all are compared and put in the unique order. Now these are the splitted list and these are the merged list. Now we write the algorithm for merge sort. Here, if n is sufficiently small, then insert into the array. Otherwise, we divide the given array T into the two sub array U and V. Now we assign the element into the U from T of 1 to n by 2 and from T of n by 2 plus 1 to n to V sublist. And then we sort the element of U and then sort the element of V and then merge the element of U and V into the array T. Now we write the algorithm for merging. Here we assign the 1 to the I and j to the 1 and U of m plus 1 to v of n plus 1 to infinity, and for k tends to 1 to m plus 1, here k is a unique element. If u of I is less than v of j, means first element of this array is less than the first element of v sublist, then we put into the t of k and then increment the I plus 1. Otherwise, if this one is a false, then we put the v of g, the first element of list v, to the array t and then increment the j plus 1. Now we write the time analysis or find the complexity for merge sort. Let t of n be the time taken by this algorithm to sort the n element. Now first of all, we divide the given array into the two sublists u and v, which take the linear time, and merge the sorted array value of u and v to the array t, which also take the linear time. Now the recurrence relation for the merge sort is t of n is equal to t of n by 2 plus t of n by 2 plus g of n, where g of n belongs to theta of n. Now it takes t of n is equal to 2t n by 2 plus theta of n. Now we match with the master theorem method, that is L t n by b plus gn, which match with this one. Now we find the value of L, B and K. Here the L is equal to 2, B is equal to 2 and K is equal to 1. Now we match with this. Here L is equal to 2 and B is equal to 2. Here second case is match. L is equal to B. So time complexity of merge sort is n log n. So second case is applies. So time complexity of merge sort is theta of n log n. Now here we give the example in, so try to solve in descending order using merge sort. Thank you.